We start you off with the Township Economic Commission of South Africa that's hosting a Build One South Africa representative, Ayanda Ali, as the fourth mayoral candidate to participate in its economic roundtable dialogue. This is ahead of the 2026 local government elections. It was held in Kliptown yesterday. The initiative gives Johannesburg's mayoral candidate an opportunity to engage directly with communities and discuss solutions to the city's key challenges. TECSA founder Bheki Twala says the dialogue is intended to strengthen accountability and build closer relationships between communities and the incoming mayor.
TECSA iyaqhubeka nokuletha labo abangenele isikhundla sobumeya eGoli. Umengameli walenhlangano uBheki Twala uthi ke indlela yokuthi uhulumeni eqonde izinkinga zomphakathi ukuthi ke usondele kuwo uzobeka indlebe.
The whole concept is to engage with mayoral candidates in terms of finding out what will be their, manifesto that will talk to township and rural economy, so that they don't talk over township economy, but they talk to, because at least they know and understand what are the challenges on the ground.
Ayanda Ali oyilungu leBuild One South Africa obemele lo ongenele sobumeya kuleli qembu uthi iNingizimu Afrika yenza kube nzima kosomabhizinisi abancane ukuthi besebenze ngendlela efanele. Uphindeke waphawula nangabokufika kuleli.
When we come to issues like regulations, it's almost as if government yethu ayifuni ukuthi abantu comply. Abantu bathi we want to comply, but the rules that you are creating, for example, for spaza shop owners, they are not realistic. Title deed emalokishini for many times awekho. Many people azothi indlu beyika gogo or umkhulu, and we don't have that title deed because the surname of gogo is different to umzukulu who is now staying there, or they will say ukuthi no, we don't know where the documents are, but you are finding ukuthi for the spaza shops to be registered, if we need title deed. And the second thing which we think is very important is our government, even at national, have not held accountable their peers ku-SADC. Awugazuzwe nje South Africa ikhuluma nepresident yaseZimbabwe ithi lento yenzayo i-wrong, why abantu bakho balana bonke, because it means awubaphethanga kahle where they are.
Omunye wentsha ebiyingxenye yalomcimbi nongenele uzime wabasebancane uthi uhulumeni akufanele avalele ngaphandle intsha enentshisekelo kulomkhakha.
I believe that the government needs to start doing programs on kids who would want to become models. They need to start inspiring kids. They need to start doing educational programs about modeling and informing models and kids who would like to become models that modeling is not just about looks, but it's about beauty with a purpose. It's about beauty with brains. It's about someone who wants to bring great change into the world.
TECSA ithi ke izoqhubeka nokumema abanye abangenelele lesi sikhundla ngaphambi kokuthi bahlanganise sebebonke bezoba nenkulumo mpikiswano nokuzokwenzeka ngomfumfu nonyaka. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kube komqondisi Miyeni ngise Kliptown.